Hey guys, Keith here with partscountergurus.com. If you are a power sports or motorcycle owner or fan, if you are at all considering some kind of solution to keep your motorcycle tires in good shape, to keep them from running flat, make sure you keep watching. All right, so in this box is a product from Black Widow. Now, they've got a special discount code for you guys. Make sure you keep watching this video for details on that if you're interested in getting one of these. And this is one of the only places you're gonna be able to get that. So in this box are their flat stoppers. These are motorcycle or two-wheel ramps, and they'll work with just about any motorcycle. They're great for storage and trailering. Pretty much anything that you want to use to help deal with flat spots on your tires. Motorcycle tires are expensive. They're also typically pretty sticky. So if you have like a coated garage floor or something like that, this would be a good solution to keep those tires from bonding to that floor surface. Now, I am a huge fan of attention to detail and design, and you'll notice as I'm holding these, you've got your little Black Widow style iconic shape here with the hourglass. It's pretty cool. It's a pretty great design. This is it. This is both ramps. But wait, there's more. When you pop these things apart, and this is how they're made to store, look inside. What's this? So they've even gone so far as to think through a solution for your side stand or your kickstand. And there it is right there. And it's got a nice smooth surface to protect the stuff that it's sitting on. So that's pretty well thought out. So let's take a look at how these work. I've got a motorcycle behind me and we're gonna check it out. All right guys, so let's take a look at how easy these are to use and how to actually put them in place. I'm gonna demonstrate that for you. So the first thing that I'm gonna suggest that you do is to have your bike in the spot that you wanna park it, right? And then just put the stands, the flat stoppers right next to the wheels, and that'll help you line up your distance, okay? Step one. Step two, we're gonna roll the bike back past the first stand, not all the way back, and then we're gonna slide them under like that. All right, I'll put my side stand down for a second, get the front one in place. Now these do take a little bit of oomph, if you will. You've got to push just a little bit to get it to go. I always like to keep my hand on the front brake, and here we go. And that's it. And they're both on, and I'm gonna put my side stand down, and just like that, we're done. All right, so let's take a little bit of a closer look at the actual flat stoppers. Here we go. So they're made out of a poly. They're super lightweight. I love it. Makes it easy to store. Also want to mention that if you were considering floor stands, if you are a sport bike or a track bike owner, or honestly just any motorcycle that would use a floor stand, these are a great alternative. And one really good reason for that is these are about a third of the price. Floor stands, good floor stands are expensive, and a lot of times people just use them for storage, so this is a great alternative. Plus, these things make great gifts. Any friend will love them. Okay guys, these are the motorcycle flat stoppers by Black Widow. And by the way, they make great gifts if you have a friend with some bikes.
Thanks, man.
All right guys, here it is, the moment you've all been waiting for. We've got a special exclusive discount code for you to use. Thanks to Black Widow for making that possible and allowing us to give it to you guys. Pro tip for you, if you take that code over to their website, it might work on more than just the motorcycle flat stoppers. So there you go. Thanks. If this has been helpful to you guys, make sure you hit the subscribe, follow us on our website at partscountergurus.com. Thanks everybody. We'll see you on the next one.